algorithm to solve 4x4 last pair of edges. So basically you need to make sure that the same color are opposite of each other, meaning you have the white blue here and the white blue on this side and white green on this side, and not like so. If you are in a situation like this where they are across from each other, so notice this piece and that piece, this piece and that piece, you need to make sure they are opposite of each other first, and then you place it horizontal like this, facing you. You do this D to the right, right up, face left, up left, right down, face right, D left. Notice they are now lined up correctly. So now you can proceed to solve like a 3x3.